Surprising benefits of a revocable living trust. Today we're going to talk about the hidden benefits of a revocable living trust that really nobody talks about. Now, you've probably heard that trusts help avoid probate, but that's just the beginning. What if I told you a revocable living trust could protect your privacy, manage your assets during illness, incapacitation, and even help create a lasting charitable legacy? Now just stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about and why a revocable living trust are more powerful than most people realized. First, let's get everyone on the same page with just some quick basics. Think of a revocable living trust like a special container of your assets. You put all of your property into this container, but here's the key. You keep complete control during your lifetime. You can change the trust whenever you want. You can cancel it if you need to, and your assets transfer smoothly after you're gone or you've passed away. Now, let's dive into some of the surprising benefits that nobody really talks about. The first benefit is total privacy protection. Here's something most people don't realize. When you use a last will, everything becomes public record. But with a trust, your family matters stay private. Your financial details remain confidential. There is no public record. Benefit number 2 might be the most important one you'll hear today. What happens if you become incapacitated or just sick and cannot manage your affairs? With a revocable trust, your trusted person steps in immediately. No court intervention, bills get paid, assets still are managed, your family avoids stress and delay completely. Benefit number 3 is perfect for those with charitable goals. Your trust can create a lasting charitable impact while still taking care of your family. You control exactly how your money helps the causes you care about. The fourth benefit surprises everyone who hears it, and that is asset organization. Your trust creates a clear inventory of everything that, well, you own. Think about it, all of your financial records organized in a quick and accessible way. This makes tax reporting simpler and makes transactions and transitions a lot smoother. Now, for benefit number 5, complete flexibility. You can change beneficiaries anytime, adjust your distribution plans, update for life changes, and always you maintain control as long as you have capacity. Now let me share 2 quick examples of how this works in real life. I recently worked with a family who used their trust to protect their privacy during a major wealth transfer. And I've also worked with a business owner who used his trust to manage his company during an unexpected illness without missing a beat. Now, you understand why revocable trusts are about so much more than just avoiding probate. I always tell people what's more important to me is what happens to you during your lifetime if you become sick or incapacitated.
I know I've thrown a lot at you today, so that's why we've prepared our free guide on estate planning. I'll put a link to it in the description below and in the comment section below that so that you can download it and get started in the right direction. And to help you out even more, watch this video up here and this video up here. If you enjoyed this video, then guys, please smash that subscribe button and click on the like button. And also click on that little bell so you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Have a great day and an awesome week. And as always, thanks for watching.